Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Thailand. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for PayPal countries. Now we are doing this step because we want to know whether PayPal is providing its services in Thailand or not. So once you search for this query, you will see this first link. So you need to click on it and then you will be landed on this page where PayPal is providing its services in 200 plus countries or region. So in order to find that out whether Thailand is available in the list or not, you will have to simply come to the Asia Pacific continent, and here you will see Thailand. So Thailand is available in this list. So click on this link and it will redirect you on the PayPal's home page that is accessible in Thailand. So here you need to click on this sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Select whether you want to create a personal account or a business account, and then press next in the bottom. On the next page, you need to simply again change your country to Thailand, and whenever you are creating your account, make sure that your right country is selected over here. So after selecting Thailand, you will have to simply provide your email address and press next. On the next page, you need to provide your first name, your last name, your phone number, create a strong password for your account, and a bunch of other details like your debit card info, your bank account info. So you will have to provide those details in order to successfully create your account on PayPal in Thailand. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.